Hi, it's Andy at WIlliams Crawford. Now, if you've got yourself a 10-year-old Porsche Cayman, Boxster, 911, or if you're thinking about buying one of the things you might be concerned with would be the technology in the car. Now, it's of an era. Some of these will have sat-nav, some won't. Some don't even have Bluetooth. So what you might want to do is consider what options you have to upgrade the system. So this is a 981 that I'm sat in now that's got the standard setup, and I'm going to jump in a customer's car in a second and show you what can be achieved. So this particular customer has gone for a Kenwood system. So this is bringing you bang up to date. This will give you Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, digital radio. It's fully touchscreen, and it fits in beautifully. And it looks like it came out of the factory, but brings the car right up to date with all the technology, so you can stream your favorite music, your podcasts. Your sat-nav will be right up to date using your Google Maps or Waze. A really good option, really good upgrade, and there's lots of different choices at various price points. But please give us a call, and Richard and Leanne will be delighted to help.